Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a very clean, low mileage Honda Zoomer X110. Would make a really good little trendy commuter with a back box on it and a few little other extras which I'll go over. We know the full history of this bike as well. We brought it in from Japan initially, then we sold it here to an owner and he's traded it back in with us, and so it's one owner bike in Ireland. Really tidy little thing considering it's 2014. Disc brake at the front, which is nice to have, and a drum at the rear. And we'll start at the front then. Front tire is okay, could probably do one pretty soon. Front mudguard's good, and shocks, proper front shocks are nice. Indicators are aftermarket. Front headlamp assembly. It's got a front jivvy shield. It's got handguards, aftermarket, original mirrors on it, 25k only, as you can see. Handlebar protection, all the switch gear, everything like that is all in really nice condition. Down through the center here, footwell area, all really nice, no real marks or anything like that. Pillion pegs, plenty of seating room at the rear for a pillion as well. You have an original Honda exhaust on it. Everything in here is super tidy. Look in here, no signs of any major rusting, anything like that. 2014 bike, like I said. Rear mud guard hasn't been cut. Very original, clean, fuel injected. That's the air box there. Shock at the rear looking good. Sorry, the rear tire is fine as well. Has a main stand and a side stand. It's got the kind of this flatter foot, so that's done. A lot of people do that just to make it easier. Put it on the side stand. There we are, all the stickers, everything like this, all good. And like I said, overall really clean little bike, from top to bottom. For the money we're going to be putting it on, it's going to be a great little buy for someone. Let's go. That's it for the visual inspection. Let's go for a ride along. Okay, the last bike of the day, Zoomer X110. Easier than the last few bikes I've been getting on anyway. To start, fuel injected, easy as you like. Get on and press go. Twist and go, no gears. Sitting position for someone who's a bit taller as well is actually quite pleasant. Yeah, you've got a low seat height as well to the ground, so putting your foot down is quite easy. And we're going to do the usual spin. Going to turn right from here. Wait for this car so we don't get knocked down. And up and around. Nice and easy. I go up and around here. Get to the end of the road here, going to turn right. But this bike, really nice. Get up to 60 kph there very easily. 110 engine gets a bit more than the Zoomer 50, which is maxes out about 50 kph. You can hear the horn there, working nicely. It's a cute horn actually, suits the bike. You have a fuel gauge which is nice as well. The mirrors are actually quite nice and stable. Not a lot of kind of jitteriness through them, which you get a lot on these kind of lower end bikes. I think overall though, like for the price that we're going to be looking at for purchasing this bike, it's pretty damn good. You can take a pillion on the back, you've got a back box, you've a few nice little extras, everything working on the bike. Nothing to do except for pick it up and ride it. Absolutely ideal for someone out there just looking for a cheap and cheerful runabout. It's going to be 60-70 euro a year to tax. Insurance will be nice and low on it. And yeah, really nice. We're going to just turn it into the right here. We'll go to the inn now here, and we're going to put it up on the main stand. We'll go through the electrics, which is just really the horn, we've heard that. The indicators, the front light and the rear light. Make sure everything is working so you know exactly what the bike is like before you even come down. You've seen the bike running, stopping, starting, and now you'll hear it idle. It's absolutely primed, ready to go. You can see, I don't know if you can see that, the rear light working there. Does this have hazards? No, it doesn't. Rear left, front left, rear right, and the front right working. We'll go for this standard beam and the high beam all working. So that's all lights, electrics, starting, stopping, everything you could possibly want, perfectly working, ideal to for someone to take away and have a nice little bike. So that's been it for the Honda Zoomer X110, fuel injected. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at RetroBikeStubbin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikestubbin.com. Thanks for watching.